Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Pro XRP lawyers say this SEC versus LBRY ruling might affect Ripple lawsuit. Pro XRP lawyers react as LBRY files a new motion in its case against the SEC. Top cryptocurrency lawyers have been reacting to LBRY's latest motion filed in its ongoing lawsuit against the SEC. Earlier today, LBRY, a content-sharing and publishing platform, filed its supplemental brief supporting its motion to limit the Securities and Exchange Commission's remedies in the SEC versus LBRY case. As part of its claims, LBRY asserted that it had been focused on getting clarity around using LBRY tokens, LBC, from the SEC for years. However, the Commission refused to clarify the token while seeking a broad-based injunction that is neither specific nor clear. Although a summary judgment decision was made in favor of the Securities and Exchange Commission last year, LBRY asks the court, in its latest motion, to clarify that LBC secondary market transactions are not securities. Hogan says SEC's vague injunction is a possible scenario in Ripple case. Commenting on the development, Pro XRP lawyer Jeremy Hogan called on XRP community members to closely follow the ruling, as the vague injunction the SEC seeks in the LBRY case is also a possible scenario in the ongoing Ripple lawsuit. Watch out for this ruling. As this is a possible scenario in the Ripple case, with the SEC asking for a broad/vague injunction and Ripple seeking clarity from the judge, said attorney Hogan. It bears mentioning that many crypto enthusiasts consider the SEC's claims to be broad, which could allow the Commission to classify crypto secondary market transactions as securities. In the Ripple lawsuit, attorney John E. Deaton filed an amicus brief on behalf of thousands of XRP investors, proving that secondary market sales of XRP are not securities. Attorney Deaton, who represented tech journalist Naomi Brockwell as amicus curiae counsel in the SEC versus LBRY case, noted that he objected to the SEC's overbroad language, which aims to classify LBC secondary market transactions as securities. He disclosed that he has the transcript from the January 30th hearing, where the judge promised to clarify that his order does not apply to secondary market sales. Deaton promised to share the transcript of the LBRY hearing in the coming weeks. Attorney Morgan reacts to LBRY's motion. In a similar development, Pro XRP lawyer Bill Morgan also commented on LBRY's latest motion. Attorney Morgan noted that LBRY is raising the major questions at the late stage of the lawsuit. Per Morgan, LBRY arguing that the SEC has no authority to shoehorn the Howey test onto digital assets, including LBC, is a good appeal point argument. LBRY stated in the motion that the SEC has specific authority to regulate and enforce the federal securities laws. Reacting to the remark, attorney Morgan said it would not bode well for Ripple and Coinbase in their legal battles against the SEC if the judge decides that the Commission has congressional authority to regulate digital assets. Meanwhile, the Pro XRP lawyer asked who was behind the funding of LBRY's legal battle, given that the company claimed the SEC drove it into insolvency. Price prediction. XRP price today is $0.473420 with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.71 billion, market cap of $23.79 billion, and market dominance of 2.1%. The XRP price increased 1.82% in the last 24 hours. XRP price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from May 27, 2023 at 10:46, the general XRP price prediction sentiment is bullish, with 23 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 6 signaling bearish signals. XRP price prediction was last updated on May 27, 2023 at 14:46. XRP key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $0.464469, XRP has support levels of $0.458649, $0.447372, and the strongest at $0.441552. Similarly, XRP resistance levels are at $0.475746, $0.481566, and $0.492843. XRP reached its highest price on January 4, 2018 when it was trading at its all-time high of $3.92, while XRP's lowest price was recorded on July 7, 2014 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.002802. The lowest price since its ADH was $0.113268, cycle low. The highest XRP price since the last cycle low was $1.977930, cycle high. The XRP price prediction sentiment is currently bullish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 48, neutral. XRP's current circulating supply is 50.26 BXRP out of max supply of 100.00 BXRP. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 8.94%, meaning 4.13 BXRP were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, XRP is currently ranked number 4 in the Layer 1 sector. XRP is currently trading above the 200-day Simple Moving Average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 11 days, since May 16, 2023. The price of XRP is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 1 days, since May 26, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 155 days ago, on December 23, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on April 3, 2023, which was 54 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, XRP's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $0.443473 by June 26, 2023. XRP's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $0.455658 by June 26, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 56.84, which indicates that the XRP market is in a neutral position. According to our current XRP price prediction, the value of XRP is predicted to rise by 0.36% and reach $0.476480 by June 1, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 48, neutral. XRP recorded 18/30ths, 60%, green days with 3.86% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our XRP forecast, it's now a good time to buy XRP. Comparing XRP against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the XRP price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the XRP price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, XRP price prediction for year 2026 is $9.05 if it follows Facebook growth. In case XRP would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $1.037854. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic Events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.